So we have both clamps on, and we're going to torque it up with a special torque wrench. It's a T-handle wrench that clicks out at exactly 60 inch-pounds. When you put these clamps on, you want to put them on, you want to tighten them evenly. So they've all been tightened up evenly. Now we're going to torque them all. And that's it. And now we're going to test. So I've got the homeowner running water now, and there's water flowing through the repair we made, and now we're just going to monitor it, see how we did. Look, Ma, no leaks. How about that? We took care of that problem of the stack has other issues, like this rotted cast iron here, but I don't think the homeowner wants to pay for all the repair to do all this work, so here comes the flush. So the owner just flushed the toilet. And no leaks. I think we're good. Now comes my favorite part, getting paid.